Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute black cat wearing a witch hat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw them a little bit lower on the page so we can leave room for the hat. Let's start with two curves up and out, leaving a gap in the center. And then another curve underneath. And now thicken the top line up slightly like this. Now in the top corner of each eye, let's add a few eyelashes. Now top inside each of the eyes and let's draw a large oval curve. And then add a circle on the top left. And an oval inside at the bottom. And then color the rest of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now top to the center and let's draw the nose. Let's start with a small curve across. And a V shape underneath. Now under the nose, let's draw a small line down and curve it out on both sides. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the right side around the top level of the eye and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And the same thing on the left, but let's start a little bit higher up. And then a curve across the bottom. Now on each of the cheeks, let's draw 3 curves going out for the whiskers. Next, let's hop up on the top left and let's add the ear. Let's draw a curve going up and curve it back down. Next, let's hop inside the ear and from the top point, let's draw a curve down and another one on the left. Then from the bottom of the right line, let's add 2 bumps and then a curve down to close it off. And that's it for the ear. Next, let's hop up and let's start drawing the brim of the hat. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a wavy line on top of the ear, bringing it down and over to the right. Now let's move underneath next to the ear and let's draw one more curve over for the top of the head. Now top back out and let's finish drawing the hat. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve down and into the head like this. And another curve in on the right side as well. Now let's move on the top left and let's draw another curve over. And let's stop here, just above the right eye. And now before we continue, let's add the bow. Let's start with the curved rectangle shape. And then 2 bumps over on the left side. And 2 smaller bumps on the right. And then add a curve inside each side of the bow. Now let's finish off the brim of the hat by drawing an angle down on the right and curving it in to the end. Now let's move up and let's finish drawing the shape of the hat. Let's start on the top left above the ear and let's draw an angle up and over to the right. And then a curve up from the bow. Then let's bring it down from the top and back up. And add one more curve inside. Now inside this top section, let's add another curve across. And then let's add a star on an angle. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down and let's add the body. Underneath the head, let's leave a gap and let's add a circle. And add a curve across inside. Then on both sides, let's draw an angle going down and in. Now top out and let's add the front legs. Let's start with 2 pointed curves on both sides. Then let's draw a curve in. And then 2 more curves in the middle. Now for the center, let's draw a small line down. And then a curve at the bottom for each foot. And then add 2 curves inside each one. Now for the back legs, let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve out and curve it in. And then another bump out and back in for the feet. And 1 curve inside at the bottom. Lastly, on the right side here, let's add the tail. Let's start with a curve up, curve it around at the end, and curve it back in. And that's it for this black cat wearing a witch hat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!